Guess what? I've been working on trim, punch list stuff, just final touches. I got my propane hooked up yesterday and tested it, no leaks, everything's good. So all the plumbing, all the electrical, all of the gas, everything's good. I got everything done and I called for a final inspection yesterday, just crossed my fingers thinking they were gonna send a whole crew of guys out and they'd be here all day. She said, well, they'll be there tomorrow, so today's that day. And then he didn't show up. So I thought, crap. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. My guy shows up, the same inspector that I've been working with throughout this whole build. He was here for maybe 30 minutes. He's like, I'm not gonna be very particular because I know how particular you've been on this whole build. So I'm gonna look at all the basics and we'll go from there. I'm like, sweet. Pass with flying colors, no issues. Power's gonna be turned on. They're gonna call for that today. So next couple days, power will be on, and dude, we're getting ready to move in. Awesome. Got the new washer and dryer hooked up. I actually bought these around November last year on a Black Friday sale, so we saved a couple $100 each, and they've just been sitting in here waiting for me to hook them up. These are the LG units, smart wash stuff, front load. That's got a steam dryer, so super fancy. It's probably the nicest set I've ever owned. We had a top load for a while down at the trailer, and we just absolutely hated it, and we missed our front load systems that we had at our old house, so we're back to that, and we'll see how those perform once we get them fired up. Upstairs bathroom. Jamie designed this in Photoshop when we were designing the house. She wanted 2 cabinets on each side of that window. And man, it makes the bathroom look much bigger. It's hard to tell on the camera, but tons of storage space. I had to scribe that to the wall because there was a little bit of a bow in it, but it came out nice. And that all kind of lines up. Look at all those drawers. And there's an outlet behind that drawer, so you could plug in a curling iron or something and just kind of have it all hidden. So here is the finished bathroom. Well, it is a rainy Friday the 13th morning here. Power company just left and they finished connecting the permanent power from the transformer to the house, and they set the meter. So I just coiled up that 100-foot drop cord that we've been running this house on for the last 2 years, and now I can dismantle the temporary power pole. But my task for today is to slowly turn up the house. I'm going to turn on each breaker, test every device on that circuit, and just light this sucker up. Finally, exciting day. Let's go make it happen. All right, breaker's on. And the first time you fire up a GFI, the test button is tripped, so let's see. So that's everything I was running off of the temporary power pole, that blue line. And then I had a drop cord go upstairs. Okay, so we got power. Only challenge I have downstairs in the basement right now is my light circuit doesn't work. The one in the closet works, the stairwell works, all the outlets work. That's the only thing left downstairs. So I gotta troubleshoot that lighting circuit. But for now, I'm gonna move upstairs to the next set of stuff. Okay, front door, let's see what we got here. Works. Apparently the smoke detectors work. All right, let's see if this works. That works. That doesn't look bad. Master bedroom, let's see what we got in here. So we got lights, those work. Dimmer. Oh, that's nice. LEDs on a dimmer. See if the fan works. Nice. Okay, kitchen. Wait, do we have a light in the pantry? I can't remember. What did we do? That works great. Pantry light. So this should run the hallway. This should run the front. Actually, I need to switch these two. This runs the island, except this middle one isn't working. Oof, dude. Talk about bright. Taking a moment to thank today's sponsor. Green Chef is a CCOF certified organic company with options for every lifestyle. Keto and paleo, vegan, vegetarian, fast and fit, Mediterranean, and gluten-free. Green Chef is the #1 meal kit for eating well, with dinner options that work for your lifestyle, not the other way around. Now you can score limited time savings on delicious chef-curated recipes featuring fresh produce and premium proteins. Green Chef's always changing variety of easy-to-follow recipes means there's something new to discover each week, so you never get bored. For me, Green Chef's keto and paleo options provide the premium proteins and all the veggies you need to conquer the day. Here's a great example. I love a good, simple grilled chicken salad, so tonight we're going to try Green Chef's version. This is their spicy chili ginger chicken kale salad. With all the tedious finish work on the house build right now, I don't have the extra time to spend making fancy sauces and spice rubs or shopping for special ingredients we don't normally keep on hand. So in 20 minutes you have a chili and ginger spiced chicken breast fanned over a bed of kale, cabbage, and carrots, then tossed with ginger lime vinaigrette and sliced almonds. Drizzle some shiitake mushroom sauce over the chicken and you have a delicious healthy meal that's much fancier than I would normally make. So give it a try. Use my code GuildbrookFarm130 to get $130 off, plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.com for more details. Light works. GFI works. Bath fan and shower light, nice. Bath fan works. Okay, let's see, these lights work. Test the dimmer. Dimmer works. Those lights work. All right, so I have a few electrical gremlins. Couldn't figure out why this light switch was not turning on the closet light. That outlet right there works just fine. And I got to thinking, I swear, back I put an outlet, I was supposed to put an outlet in this closet so that we could plug in the Dyson, the battery-powered, rechargeable vacuum. There's no outlet there. So it's a good thing that the drywallers did not take this sheetrock all the way to the flooring. That's the bottom plate, and there's a stud right there. So I measured up and put the metal detector on it and the stud finder with the AC alert and all that, and I poked a little hole, and there's wire in there. There is an outlet box right there. They freaking covered it up, and that's why the rest of that circuit's dead, so I can't run that light. So I'm gonna put an outlet there, and hopefully that'll solve that problem. Dummies. Cool. Upstairs loft, this is a 4-way switch, and it runs that. Then the other switch is at the bottom of the steps, then there's another switch over by the kitchen. Let's see, this runs the lights here in the loft above the office. Dimmer. Works good. Fan. Nice. Bedroom. Fan. Good. Lights. Good. Dimmers. Ooh, that's nice and bright. Love it. Okay. Now these little nooks, I put a little eyeball light there for like above a desk, and power and Ethernet. Kind of cool. Here's the other bedroom. Lights are good. Fan, good, nice. Bathroom, lights. I gotta get less yellow lights, like the middle color temperature. Those are too yellow. They need to match kind of that. Fan works. Here's another look at the cabinets that turned out really well. In the light, well, I gotta pull all this cardboard out because we're done with construction in here, other than putting the window casing and the shower door and the baseboard on. Good deal. All right, let's check the outside deck lights. Ooh, it's bright out here today. Nice. Nice. All right, hallway, kitchen, lots of light. We put this much light in here in the hopes that we would be doing videos in the kitchen. Lots of light, good deal. Now that I have the new outlet in this coat closet, we have a light. That's good. And we actually started putting stuff in here, but here's the outlet. Still got to vacuum up the drywall dust. And that actually fixed the problem with the master bedroom closet light, which is on the same circuit. So this was midstream of the circuit, and they covered that up and broke a couple fixtures, but now everything works. Works. Sweet. I was able, I believe, to fix the three-way switch in the basement. Yeah, there we go. So now we have light everywhere. All circuits work. The only one we haven't tested is the oven circuit because we don't have the oven yet. So we're in business. All right. Everything works. Look at that, amazing. Had two little power gremlins I had to troubleshoot and track down, but they were minor. And so now we have power. Fans work, lights work. Did a load of laundry and dried it. All the bathroom stuff works, and no air conditioning until probably tomorrow because I'm waiting on thermostats and filter grills. As soon as those come, we're gonna try and fire up the Mr. Cool universal heat pump deals that we put in like a year and a half ago. So I'm excited, man. I'm just gonna be doing some trim work, door and window casing and baseboards. We've got to really just clean and start doing shelving and setting up the bedrooms and things like that. So I guess you can say we're able to move in, but now we have to do the move-in part. So let's go do that.